Good morning. This is Jan from Heritage Public Library. This morning I'm going to tell you about Gale Legal Forms. We have access to Gale Legal Forms through the Library of Virginia. It's a great place to start if you have a basic legal question, but of course it doesn't replace legal advice. I'm going to share my screen with you now. Oops. And I'll show you how to get to Gale Legal Forms. First, you go to the library homepage, heritagepubliclibrary.org, and you click on eLibrary. You'll see we have a lot of things in eLibrary, and we'll go over those on other days. I'm going to scroll down until I get to Gale Legal Forms here. I click on there, and we'll see what's in there. There's all sorts of things about bankruptcy, divorce, landlords, tenants, and forms you can use too. One of the things I really like about Gale Legal Forms is the legal definitions here, because people will use big long words that we don't know what they mean unless you have a legal background. So it says here that the legal terms dictionary is comprehensive. And one thing to note about Gale Legal Forms is that it is based on Virginia legal forms. A lot of the laws are state specific, so it's good to know that. And I will go under L and let's have a look what's in there. And there's all sorts of things that I don't even know what they mean. Laluz, tract, label, all sorts of things like that. And so I'm going to have a look at a limited owner over here. And you can see the definition there. It's 3 sentences long. It's a short and simple language definition. You can also search in the search box here if you had something else you wanted to look up. I will look up eviction and see what comes up. And it found 24 forms. Landlord-tenant evictions, summons, and as you can see it says, it doesn't say eviction, the form is called summons for unlawful detainer. So if you're wondering what a detainer is, you can of course go back to the definition and find out what's in there. So let's have a look at one of the forms and how we can access it. It says here that it's the type of form it is, the number it's got, and how we can download it. See, it's a PDF here, so I will click on that and go to the PDF of it. And here is the form. This particular form you will have to download and print, and when the library opens, you'll be able to print in the library for 15 cents a page for black and white, but at the moment the library is closed. Some of the other forms are Word documents, and you will be able to fill them in and print them filled in. Okay, so this is Gale Legal Forms. So hopefully, if you have a quick legal question, you'll be able to use these. I hope this helps you find out what the library has to offer for you. And thank you for listening today, and I hope to do more of these short little videos about what the library offers later on. Thank you.